Is it Scotsman? Is your six covered?
Hey guys, welcome back to Is Your Six Cover. Appreciate you showing up, and today we're doing a review of the Geissele Super Precision scope mount. This one here is for a 34mm tube and has a 20 MOA of rise. So we'll get in up close, we'll take a look at it, and we'll see. I do have a comparison video coming out between the JP and the Geissele scope mounts. Basically apples to apples, and whether the price is worth paying. So you guys can take a look at that later in the date. But today we have a very, very nice scope mount made by Geissele that we're going to dive into, take a look at, and see what you guys think for the price of $334, $324, I think is what I saw it on Amazon for. So with that said, one of the things that they are all excited about is it does span seven Picatinny rails. So it does span 7 Picatinny rails, and it gives the platform a nice, robust, stout hold. So we'll take a look at it up close and kind of show you what we got. They did a really good job of being able to lighten up in certain areas where they could. So we'll dive into it. All right, so there it is. We got the Geissele Super Precision 34mm to 20 MOA. That's the part number if you're interested. But along with that, you can see where they lightened it up in here. Some other spots where it wasn't going to take away from the strength. And it is a very well machined, very nice piece of basically a scope mount. To be able to mount your high quality, very expensive scope to. Definitely holds a great zero. Been using this one for a little while now. You'll see one of the things that they commented on Geissele was that it spans seven Picatinny rails, so you're getting a nice large base and getting some good pressure equalized out along your upper to give to keep that zero basically. So we'll flip this thing over, but before we do, we'll show you that up on top you're going to see not just one on each side, but you'll see a set of 4 on each side holding that scope. So you got 4 different screws in the front and 4 in the back that are holding that scope to hold zero. You can see that they have lightened it up a little bit here. You'll see some of the weight that they reduced from it. Let me flip this thing over real quick. Now you will see one of the things is being able to take the scope off. So most of the time, depending on manufacturer, you're looking at around 39 inch-pounds, I should say. But you got a nice, these are about 3/4 of an inch right here, 3/4 of an inch right here, so you got about 1.5 inches really clamping down very well along that top rail there on the Picatinny. So, very well machined, very well made, very expensive. That's definitely one of the drawbacks to having a great mount like this is the price point. $324 is quite a bit. Most people aren't going to go out and spend that kind of money unless you're really into long-range precision rifle shooting, or maybe you got some extra cash to get rid of. There is other options out there, and like I said, there is a video that I will be putting out going up against the JP Enterprises scope mount as well. So, and that's in a $100 less than this beautiful beast right here. So we'll see what you guys think. Tell me which way you guys would go. Maybe this isn't your cup of tea, but if you're out there doing the long distance stuff, you're definitely going to want some type of mount that is made well. So there is other options out there that come in even higher price points. So we may do a review on one of those as well. And see you on the next video. Take care.